In this video, you'll learn how to install WordPress in your Namecheap cPanel step by step. By the end, you'll have a fresh WordPress site set up and ready for you to customize, even if you're brand new to hosting or cPanel. First, log into your Namecheap account the way you normally do and open your cPanel for the hosting plan where you want to install WordPress. This is usually done by going to your hosting dashboard and clicking the option that takes you into cPanel. Once cPanel opens, you'll see a lot of different icons and sections. Don't worry if it looks a bit overwhelming at first, we're only going to use a small part of it. From the main cPanel page, start scrolling down until you see a section labeled Exclusive for Namecheap Customers. This is a special area Namecheap includes with some tools that make managing your website easier. Take your time and scroll slowly so you don't miss it. The sections are grouped visually, so you might see other headings like files, databases, or domains before you get to it. Keep going until Exclusive for Namecheap Customers appears on your screen. Within that section, look for the icon or link called Softaculous Apps Installer. Softaculous is a tool that automates the installation of popular web applications, and WordPress is one of them. Instead of manually creating databases and uploading files, Softaculous handles all that for you in just a few clicks. Once you find Softaculous Apps Installer, go ahead and click it. This will open a new interface inside cPanel. When Softaculous loads, you'll see a dashboard with many different apps you can install, like content management systems, blogs, and other tools. Among the most popular options, you should see the WordPress icon. It usually appears near the top or under a section like blogs or top scripts. If you don't see it right away, you can briefly scan the page or use the search bar within Softaculous to type WordPress. Now hover your mouse over the WordPress icon. When you do this, you'll see additional options appear, including one that says Install. Click on Install to start the WordPress setup process. This is where you'll choose details like which domain you want to use, the directory where WordPress will be installed, and your site's basic information. Even though this screen offers many options, most of them can be left at their default values if you're unsure. As you go through the installation form, double check that you've selected the correct domain and make sure the directory field is empty if you want WordPress installed directly on your main site address. You'll also see fields for your site name and description, which you can change later from the WordPress dashboard if needed. When everything looks good, scroll down and confirm the installation. Softaculous will then run the installer for you. After a short moment, you'll see a success message with links to your new WordPress site and the WordPress admin area. At this point, WordPress is officially installed on your Namecheap hosting, and you can log into your WordPress dashboard to start customizing your theme, adding plugins, and creating content. That's all it takes to install WordPress in Namecheap cPanel using Softaculous.